everybody, good morning. So today we go to Subi's grocery store and I found the macaron. Yeah, I found macaron because I saw this one on a movie on the Brave. It's a cartoon movie and a Disney movie. And then I found this. See, it's cute little one, but it's so expensive. That's what I gonna say. I cannot open this. I need a hand. So this is we buy. It's a macaron. It's so cute. So this one is lemon, and then the flavor is lemon. Then the other is mango passion fruit, and this one is kick pop. It's so cute. Hala! My teeth is on me. I cannot take it off. So this is we buy there and Sobeys grocery store. Ayan. So this one will be, let's try the mango passion fruit.
Bisaya.
So magkaon na ta. Bisaya daw. It smells good. It smells like candy. Oh, it's so yummy. Lami kaayo. Masyag candy nga. But oy, basta humot maka-addict. Mata. Ngayon, kain tayo. I tried the mango passion fruit. It's so yummy. And then, I got here pa a lot. So, we cannot try the lemon. Wow. Yummy. I like the mango. The lemon too I like, but it's more yummy guys, the lemon. Oh, the mango, the blue one. And this one, I call this popsicle. So we tried this. It's so nice. Look at the decoration. Yan, ang ganda, diba? Meron silang pa-circle-circle na maliliit. I know this chocolate. Wow! Crunchy niya. I just bite on the outside pa. Gonna try inside too. Mami, gana lang chocolate diri kay kumayon kag chocolate, pure chocolate gyud na siya, walang labis, walang kulang. That's so yummy. Yeah. Sorry. My saliva's dripping. So this one, each of it is how much? 250. So this one of it is $2.50 Canadian dollar. So it's so expensive. And after tax, ayan, i-count nyo na lang. After tax, how much is this?
$15.
It's $15 after tax. So, yeah. But it's so yummy niya and so cute, diba? Yeah, 400 pesos for this all for Philippine. Yan, ang liit lang. Pero, lami kaayo. Lamian ko sa mango, guys. Favorite na ako. And hindi siya nakakasawang amoy yun. Kasi it's super, they are smell good. Like my candy. Lami kaayo.